Hi, my name is Ben Acord. I'm going to be making a nut brittle today in the microwave in less than 10 minutes. So for making the spicy nut brittle, you're going to need a sweet brown rice syrup and sugar, sea salt, baking soda, and of course your nuts of choice. You're going to be using pecans today, vanilla extract, and then on the top I like to use togarashi, which is a Japanese pepper orange peel spice. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to take brown rice syrup and measure out a 1/4 cup of it. That's the bottom of the red line on this particular cup, and then you stop. It's messy, it's sticky. Then you take the 1/2 cup of sugar, and then you stir it together. It doesn't have to be completely incorporated. Just a big lump. Till you lose your spatula head, but whatever, it's all good. So once it's mixed, you then take it and you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Once it's done, you pull it out of the microwave, and it's going to be extremely hot. So now you add the salt, and then you add the pecans, and then you stir them together. Get them nice and incorporated so the pecans are covered. So now it goes back in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. It's a nice dark, good brown color, and this is where you add the vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of that, and then you mix in the 1/2 teaspoon of butter, and you incorporate those really good. And then it goes back into the microwave for 30 seconds. When the mixture comes out of the microwave, you take a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you stir it in, and it starts to bubble and foam. And once it's done that, you pour it all over the mat, and then you spread it out evenly as best you can. And then you just pour on the togarashi spice so it sticks, and you're done. And then you just let it sit.